Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into some fantastic, small factory business ideas that you can actually start with limited capital. It's all about finding opportunities where your investment can really make a difference. First up, let's talk about a candle making factory. Candles are always in demand, whether it's for home decor, events, or simply creating a relaxing atmosphere. You can start small, perhaps renting a modest space, or even utilizing a spare room. The initial investment will cover equipment like wax melters, molds, and fragrance oils, plus, of course, the raw materials. The beauty of this business is its scalability. As demand grows, you can expand your production and offer a wider range of products. Next, consider a soap-making factory. Similar to candles, handmade soaps are incredibly popular, thanks to the trend towards natural and organic products. The basic ingredients are relatively inexpensive, and the process is straightforward. Although safety is paramount, you can begin with a small batch setup, crafting unique soaps with different scents, colors, and ingredients. Marketing your products online or at local markets can help you reach your target customers. Moving on, let's look at a custom t-shirt printing factory. This is another area with strong potential. The market for personalized apparel is always growing, and all you need to get started are some basic t-shirts, a heat press, and a few design software packages. You can source blanks from various suppliers and create custom designs, either your own or based on client requests. This business model allows for a high degree of flexibility, catering to individual customers, groups, or even businesses. Another idea is a small-scale food packaging factory. The food industry is always thriving, and there's a constant need for packaging solutions. You could focus on a specific niche, like eco-friendly packaging or custom boxes. The capital required is mainly for packaging machines, and the target market includes restaurants, cafes, and food producers. The key to success is offering high-quality, innovative solutions that meet market demands. Then, there's the possibility of a small-scale woodworking factory. If you have some basic carpentry skills, you can create and sell items such as wooden toys, home decor, or custom furniture pieces. The investment here would be for woodworking tools, some initial materials, and a workspace. It's crucial to focus on quality and design to stand out in the market. Finally, think about a small-scale jewelry-making factory. This can be a very creative and potentially profitable venture. You can specialize in handmade jewelry, using various materials, like beads, metals, and gemstones. Starting capital is used to get the raw materials and tools, like pliers and soldering equipment. Selling jewelry can be very lucrative with a strong brand and online presence. Remember, each of these ideas has its own unique set of challenges and opportunities. Doing your research, creating a solid business plan, and understanding your target market are vital. With some hard work and determination, any of these small factory business ideas could be your path to success. Thanks for watching, and good luck.